All right, we're at Al Sinsheimer's boiler room, Mount CB, and checking out what needs to be repaired. Here's the expansion tank for hot water, and that one is full, needs to be replaced, has no more room for expansion. This one over here is still doing good. Got that hollow sound, no problems there. As you can see, we've had a lot of glycol dripping on the floor, and I think I've tracked it down to where it's coming from. And right above the blue spot in there, that's a little sensor called the low water cutoff, and that's what's leaking. So time to replace that. And up top, you know, it could be part of the reason that we're getting leaks is lack of a proper air vent. That Triangle Team since went out with the boiler that would go right there, and not to have a little cap on that. So time to replace that with a vent, replace that leaky low water cutoff, and I think we will have no more glycol on the floor.